Hotter than normal temperatures in South Florida, combined with the daily distractions of COVID-19, may be a recipe for disaster when it comes to our children and hot cars. With so many things to worry about these days, it's easy for our minds to wander. But did you know, in less than 30 minutes, the temperature inside a car can increase by 35 degrees? An infant can die in as little as 15 minutes, even on a mild 75-degree day. That's why the attorneys at Guari are passing along potentially life-saving tips from kidsandcars.org. The words to remember: be safe. And here's what it stands for. Back seat. Put something in the back seat. Your cell phone, your handbag, something that will force you to open the back door. Every child should be properly restrained in the back seat. Stuffed animal. Move it from the car seat to the front to remind you the baby is in the back. Ask your babysitter or child care provider to call within 10 minutes if your child has not arrived on time. Focus on driving, no calls or texts. Every time you park, open the back to make sure no one has been left behind. If you see a child alone in a car, call 911 and help make sure the child gets out ASAP. Their life could depend on it.